Every home tells a story. Some speak through decoration, others through size. This one speaks through architecture itself. At first glance, it feels familiar, a modern interpretation of the traditional city house. But the closer we look, the more unexpected details begin to appear. Clean white volumes, warm natural wood, raw exposed concrete, and generous glass surfaces come together to create an elegant architectural composition. Nothing here is accidental. Every line, every material, and every shadow has been carefully designed to shape both the appearance of the house and the experience of living inside it. Let's explore it together. Stepping inside, the atmosphere immediately changes. Natural light floods the entrance through the full-height glazed facade, creating a bright and welcoming first impression. The living room becomes the heart of the house. Part of the space remains intimate beneath a standard ceiling, while the main living area suddenly opens into a dramatic double-height volume. This contrast creates a sense of surprise that transforms the everyday experience of the interior. Above, a large skylight filters daylight deep into the home. Its irregular triangular glazing pattern echoes the inclined geometry of the exterior architecture, creating a subtle visual dialogue between inside and outside. One of the strongest features is the stone wall rising through the double-height space. It anchors the interior while supporting the elegant black steel staircase with its transparent glass balustrade. The staircase feels light, almost floating, allowing natural light to move freely throughout the room. Below the stairs, integrated shelving makes intelligent use of every available space. Throughout the living area, white and black furnishings create a refined minimalist palette, softened by warm wooden flooring. Toward the rear garden, the kitchen continues this contemporary language. Compact, yet fully equipped, it includes a central island designed for casual breakfasts, conversations, and everyday family life. Hidden within a carefully integrated volume, the ground floor bathroom includes a shower, double vanity, laundry area, and practical storage without interrupting the openness of the plan. Moving upstairs, the atmosphere becomes more private. Wood flooring continues throughout the upper level, bringing warmth and continuity. A comfortable bedroom designed for a teenager offers a functional study area, generous storage, and a calm environment. Two additional bedrooms overlook the rear garden. One embraces darker tones for a sophisticated atmosphere, while the other introduces soft blue accents that create a brighter and more relaxing mood. The family bathroom completes the upper floor with a bathtub, elegant finishes, and a clean contemporary design. Throughout the home, every room feels connected by consistent architectural language rather than by decoration alone. Returning outside, the design reveals its full complexity. Although the house appears minimal, it is actually composed of interlocking architectural volumes. The exposed concrete base visually anchors the building while lifting the warm timber platform slightly above the surrounding ground. This wooden base wraps around the house, connecting architecture with landscape. It becomes more than a terrace. It acts as a transition between indoor comfort and outdoor living. The front elevation is defined by two distinct compositions. On one side, a full-height glazed screen protected by elegant vertical timber slats conceals the entrance while preserving privacy. On the other, the large living room glazing creates a direct relationship with the street and the small landscaped garden. Above, the projecting white volume frames the first floor window, while naturally reducing solar exposure during warmer months. Walking around the building, new architectural relationships continue to emerge. Inclined white walls wrap around exposed stone volumes, creating the impression that independent blocks have been carefully inserted into one another. These changing geometries ensure that the house looks different from every viewing angle. At the rear, the architecture opens completely toward the private garden. Large sliding glass walls dissolve the boundary between interior and exterior. The wooden deck extends the living room into an outdoor lounge, complete with comfortable seating and a dining area for family meals. Beyond, A compact garden includes a storage shed and a raised wooden swimming pool. Even modest outdoor spaces become valuable when thoughtfully designed. Looking upward, the roof becomes another architectural feature. Its multiple inclined planes meet at different heights, creating a distinctive skyline. A non-accessible green roof improves thermal insulation while returning vegetation to a site largely occupied by construction. Nearby, the large skylight continues to flood the double-height living space with daylight from above. Sustainability here is not treated as an added technology, but as an integral part of the architecture itself. As daylight slowly fades, the house begins to transform. Integrated architectural lighting highlights the crisp edges of every volume. Warm interior light shines through the large glazed surfaces, turning the home into a glowing lantern within the neighborhood. Wood becomes warmer. Concrete gains depth. White surfaces softly reflect the surrounding light. The architecture feels calm, welcoming, and timeless. Winter brings an entirely different atmosphere. Fresh snow settles gently across the roof and surrounding landscape. The green roof disappears beneath a soft white blanket, while the illuminated interiors create a striking contrast against the cold evening sky. During rainy days, water enhances every material. Concrete becomes richer. Stone reveals new textures. Glass reflects moving clouds and surrounding trees. The house responds naturally to changing weather, demonstrating that great architecture is never static. It evolves with every season, every hour, every changing light. This project is not about creating an extravagant object. It is about reimagining the traditional urban house through contemporary architecture. Simple volumes become expressive. Natural materials create warmth. Glass strengthens the relationship between family life and nature. Every architectural decision serves a purpose. Together, they create a home that feels elegant, functional, sustainable, and deeply connected to its surroundings. Because truly successful architecture is never defined by complexity alone. It is defined by the quality of the spaces it creates and the emotions those spaces inspire. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more architectural projects and 3D visualizations. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.